How to see liked posts on Instagram. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy video. Now let's get started right away. Now first of all, let me just like a couple of photos and videos just like this. So I still have a couple of them in there. And then you want to click on the bottom right corner on your profile picture. And over here, you want to go to the top right on these three lines. And here you can actually see your activity. Now, it used to be actually in the settings and privacy, but nowadays it's in the your activity tab. And here you can see all of your activity. And immediately at the top, you can see likes. Now, click on there. And there you go. Here you can see all of the likes. You can click from newest to oldest, all dates, and all authors. So you can remove a couple of people from your likes, for example. You can even select them and unlike, for example, which is actually pretty nice. Now, if you don't see likes immediately, then you just have to look for the interactions tab because your settings and stuff might look a little bit different. So look for the interactions tab, click on there, and then click on likes. But for me, it immediately pops up here. So that is basically it. I hope this super quick video helped you out. Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you next time.